Hello everyone, welcome you all on my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to discuss the PYQ of LLM second semester paper Legal Theory. And the questions are Unit 1 having two questions. First is critically examine the Austin imperative theory of law, and second is critically analyze the Kelsen pure theory of law. How do you justify that although there are basic differences between Austin and Kelsen, yet there are some similarities also? Unit second is about the movement of progressive societies has either to be a movement from status to contract. Explain the historical approach to law by Henry Maine. And fourth is about with a brief reference to history of natural law, discuss as to why and how there has been revival of natural law in modern times. Unit third is about critically explain Roscoe Pound's social engineering and balancing of competing interests. And second question is American realism is a combination of the analytical, positivist, and sociological approaches to law. Explain the comment. Unit 4 define right and its elements, also explain the theories of right. And next is define possession. What are the elements of possession? Distinguish between possession and ownership. So these are the important questions. Now, next, going to the 2021 paper. First question is Kelsen. Kelsen's contribution to legal theory lies in the sense that he attempted to break away with the traditional natural law theory on one hand and legal positivism on the other. Discuss the above observation in the light of Kelsonite theory. Second question is Bentham was in fact the intellectual godfather of John Austin, from whom the later borrowed, developed and perfected his theory of analytical positivism. Do you agree with it? Explain. Unit second. Sir Henry Maine is labeled as social Darwinist for the and envisaged a social order wherein the individual is finally liberated from the feudalistic primitive bondage. Critically examine it. Next question is discuss the main feature of natural law school and analyze the concept of natural justice for maintaining economic social progress in India. Unit third having questions law is an instrument of serving the needs of individuals in society and examine critically the above statements. Next is realist movement is a gloss on the sociological approach to jurisprudence and combination the positivist and the sociological approach discussed. Unit 4. What do you understand by legal rights and its elements? Discuss also the theories of legal rights. And next is what write a detailed note on the concept of legal jurisprudence. So these are the important questions. Now moving forward to the paper of PYQ 2022. So first question is jurisprudence is the eye of law in the light of the statement discuss the nature and scope of jurisprudence and critically analyze the Kelsen's pure theory of law. Next question is critically examine impact of the critical legal studies movement on the principles of law and morality. And second is the bindingness, or authoritativeness of the open court's decision emanates not from the whole judgment, but from the ratio of the decision explained. Unit 3. Rawls' theory of justice is known as distributive justice, which aims at ameliorating conditions of lower strata of the society. In view of this, express your opinions about its applicability to the provisions of affirmative actions as provided under Indian Constitution. Next is explain Duguid theory of law and its contribution in the development of sociological school. Next is right is an interest recognized, protected, and enforced by the law. Discuss the concept of rights in the light of the above statement. And next is what do you understand by legal personality? Do you think a Hindu idol has a legal personality. Illustration your answer. So these are the important questions. Now, PYQ of year 2023. First is discuss the contribution and Austin theory of law in the development of analytical school. Second is critically examine hard concept of law. Unit second is critically analyze Sevengi theory of works taste and explain the creative role played by our Supreme Court revival of natural law. Unit third having two questions. Explain Dugit theory of law and its contribution in development of sociological school and critically evaluate Indian approach to socio-economic justice. Unit 4 is having questions. Discuss the nature of legal personality and its different theories and what are the elements of a legal right. Also discuss right-duty relationships. Now moving forward to the paper of 2024. Critically examine the nature and scope of jurisprudence. Distinguish between the approach of Bentham and John Austin as positivist. Write a note on applicability of theory of precedent in India. Write a note on the approach of Stamler, that is natural law with a variable content. And critically examine concept of social engineering as given by Roscoe Pound. Discuss the main characteristics of realist school, define ownership, also discuss various kinds of ownership, define legal rights, also discuss different theories of legal rights. So these are the important questions of the subject legal theory. Hope you like my video. Please kindly share my video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Stay connected.